Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Well, in this session, we are going to be discussing about mutables and immutables in Python. So, in Python, some objects can be modified after the creation. Those are known as mutables and some cannot. Those are known as immutables. So, understanding mutability is crucial for writing effective and bug-free code. So, let's dive deeper into this. So, in Python, lists are mutable while tuples are immutable. Let's see for lists, for example, those are which are mutable. So let's declare a list that is my list. Give it a value as 0, 1, 2, and let's try to mutate this. Let's print out the original list. Original list is the one that we have declared here. Let's try to mutate it. So what are we going to do is in the first index, that is 0, we are going to be replacing this first index, that is 0, with 5. So how do we modify it? Let me show you how to modify an element in the specific index. 0, 5. So what this line of code is going to do is that it will take that list, and from that zeroth index is the first element. The element indexing starts with 0. So if we have let's say 5 elements, so this is at zeroth index, this is at 1, 2, third index, and fourth index. So let us see by printing it. So let print what is there at the first, that zeroth index. It is 0. So now what we are going to do is we are going to modify this 0 and replace it with 5. Let's do this. My underscore list. Take the first element and replace it by 5, and let's try to print the mutated. Here you can see we have printed out the original list. Here it was 0, 1, 2, 5, 9. We printed out what is at zeroth index, that is 0, and we have mutated it by in this line by replacing the element at zeroth index with 5, and now at last we print the mutated list by the replaced value, so that is 5. So here we can see that in this example that the list is mutable because we are able to change the element. We are able to mutate the elements inside the list. So list is mutable. Now let's see another example, that is of tuple. Let's declare my code tuple, 3, 4. Let's declare it. Let's print out the original tuple. That is, this is our original tuple, and let's print out what is at the zeroth index of this. So it is 0, and let's try to mutate it. Let's see if we are able to change the value of the first element. Change it with, let's say, example 5, and let's print. Let's run this and see. Here, as you can see, it is giving an error. Why is it giving an error? It is giving an error because tuples are immutable. So we have seen, for example, what mutables are and what mutables are not. Sorry, what mutables are, what immutables are. So we are done for today, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And for more contents like this, please share the video. Thank you. Thank you all. And if you have any doubts, please comment, and I'll be very happy to resolve any comments that you have. Thank you all.